They taught us lessons, gave us courage, and helped us dream. This song is for them.
You teach us how to dream, you show us how to try. You lift us when we fall, you teach us how to fly. Thank you, teacher, our guiding light. You make our dreams shine so bright. You help us learn, you help us grow, and we will love you wherever we go. You listen, you care, you always believe. You help us find courage in all that we achieve. Thank you, teacher, our guiding light. You make our dreams shine so bright. You help us learn, you help us grow, and we will love you wherever we go. One little word, one little smile can make a difference and brighten our mile. Thank you, teacher, our guiding light. You make our dreams shine so bright. With all our hearts, we sing today. Happy, happy Teacher's Day. Thank you, teacher, for believing
If you enjoy the song, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to ScriptSakhi. Till then, bye friends.